Well, how you gonna do better than number one? How you gonna do that?
How you gonna beat that? Do you hear me?
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. I'm coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Today, ladies and gents, we're going to be opening the doors of the church with something real snazzy. So I told you a while ago that I was going to be trying some more new things from Innovative Weaves and Wigs. The very first time I wore one of their wigs, it was the wig Nicole. Y'all, when I tell you, first of all, Nicole is their most popular texture. Y'all,
Look at Nicole.
just go ahead and take a look at Nicole. Look at Nicole. Take a look at Nicole. Hey, take a look at Nicole. Hey, take a look at Nicole. Did y'all look at her? Did y'all look at her? No. What could get better than that? I know that's what you're asking yourself. That's their Thin-Part Wig in the style Nicole, which happens to be my favorite. Okay. So you asking yourself, well, how you gonna do better than number one? How you gonna do that?
How you gonna beat that?
Well, I introduced their TrueRoot clips a few weeks ago, and y'all was like, getting it, period. It's over with. Cause y'all, just go look at that video if you don't know what I'm talking about. It's ridiculous. Easy. There's literally no, like, you can do your hair. Everybody can do their hair. No skill required.
Do you hear me?
You don't have to go to hair school. You don't have, well, you do have to watch my YouTube videos though. You grew up on it. Okay, so then they was like, we about to make these clips in the styles that y'all love so much. So you know I had to get my hands on the Nicole TrueRoot Clip-ins. Y'all, the base of my hair, I'm going to do it the same exact way that I would do it if I was using their Thin-Part Wig. So my install is going to be the same. That way I really can compare the two things. Now, when you're doing clip-in styles, a lot of times you want to just braid down your hair. Just have a flat base. You want to have a flat base. Luckily, I only have a teaspoon of hair. Right now, God is working on it. He said if we take one step, he was gonna take two of them. But he didn't say when, no. But I took a whole bunch of steps, and he been kicking in with it. I got a little bit of length now, but because my hair is so fine, it still look like a teaspoon. And we gotta be specific in our prayers when we praying up to God, because we can ask for some more hair and he can give us some more of it. Sometimes depending on how your density is set up, it still look like a little bit. So sometimes you can have a lot little, and then people with a whole bunch of density, they can have real short hair, but it's still a lot. Like how you get to have a lot all the ways, even with short hair, you get to have short a lot. But with mine, it can be long, but it's still little. Make it enough. So I'm able to just kind of glide my hair back, and it sits flat in a low ponytail. We come with gifts too when you have fine hair. We come with gifts. Y'all be like, how you swoop your edges so easy? Fine hair. So this is how they come. This is a bundle. It's so light and bouncy. These are the Nicole TrueRoot Clip-ins. And basically, once again, like I told you in the last TrueRoot Clip-in video, you need no leave out, y'all. You need no leave out. You hear me? In the bundle, you have your regular traditional clips like this. These are going to go throughout your hair. But when you get up to the top, these are the clips, the TrueRoot clips that you are going to put right next to your parts. These are the clips that people are going to see. They're not going to see the traditional clips that's all throughout your hair, giving it that density. They're going to see these at the top. Do you see that? Huh? Look at that. These are so seamless. But you know, I have to pop these curls. When you get stuff, I told y'all that. When you get curly hair, you don't leave it like this unless you just want to. And if you want to, honey, you better do it. Put your back into it. Boop. So the best way to do it is to just give it a nice cold wash. Get them drenched. Get you a nice curl popping product. Bam. I think I'm just going to spray these. Get them real wet though, y'all. Get them drenched.
Y'all already know my story. Y'all know how we pop these curls.
I'm gonna get going because I want y'all to see this. But make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. And if you enjoyed this video, Hit that thumbs up. Not only does it help the analytics, it also helps people find this video. And if it was helpful for you, it's probably going to be helpful for them. And I appreciate that. We are the village. Information will be in the description box. Go on over there and see how innovative you can get. Oh, let's do this.
Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Oh, this is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing our track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Losing all track of time, I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything